your child knew that there was chaos and trauma going on in her life. I don't understand what people don't understand. When you're in a relationship and you break up, even if you have children, that person can date whomever they want to date. It's not for you to go in breaking windows, injuring yourself, and then having your child know about all that. To CR 5919, State of Texas versus Lindsay Pierce. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks, the State of Texas.
Defense.
Jason Todd for Ms. Pierce.
And are you Lindsay Pierce?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Pierce, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, no, the state will make a motion to proceed on lesser included assault, bodily injury, Class A misdemeanors.
Any objection?
There's no objection to that, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Pierce, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is anywhere for, up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County jail? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Pierce, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the Class A misdemeanor assault bodily injury. There's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's restitution, if any, to Brandy, B-A-R-A-N-D-I, Zamora, and Brett, B-R-E-T-T, Aguilar, and the APSC course. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
That is correct, Your Honor.
State? State.
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There were not, Your Honor.
Showing you outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 50 hours community service restitution. No harmful or injurious contact with Brandy, Zamora, and Brett Aguilar. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Statement for State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
There's no objections to that, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may continue to confer. I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witness statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you want to explain to me what happened? And why I should even consider making this a no harm for injurious contact?
There were a lot of things leading up to this point in time. He was still my husband. I had a 3-week-old baby and 2 younger kids. And at night I had gone over to drop off my daughter's medication, and things kind of spiraled out of control, and I did not make the best decisions that night. And since then, he's now my ex-husband. We worked very hard to get past all of that. We co-parent wonderfully for our 3 children, and have a great relationship for the 2 of us. And I think I can speak for him and I both when we just want all of this behind us so we can continue moving forward.
So where is Brandy in all of this?
They split up, I believe, in September of.
So is that the reason why things are going great for you guys? Because she's not in the picture anymore?
Partially, he's able to be a better father and a co-parent, and he was not at the time.
All right. See, I don't understand what people don't understand. When you're in a relationship and you break up, even if you have children, that person can date whomever they want to date. If you think that person is not an appropriate person, that's what the court systems are for. It's not for you to go in breaking windows, injuring yourself, and then having your child know about all this. And I guarantee you, no matter how young your child was at the time, your child knew that there was chaos and trauma going on in her life.
Your Honor.
So what I can tell you is I'm doing a no contact with Brett Aguilar and Brandy Zamora. And if she wants to have contact or he wants to have contact, then they're going to have to come into court to tell me that that's what they want.
And I appreciate that, Your Honor. We have gone through this in pretrial, and I think we have resolved the pretrial with as far as Brett. But with Brandy, there's no issue with the no contact. I think what we brought up.
No, I mean, have we had a ruling prior allowing her to have contact with him?
For purposes of the children, yes, Your Honor. But if I believe, Judge, if you were to set this for a sentencing, that he would come in. This is not an issue. They took a trip to get one of their daughters is they had a Make-A-Wish trip, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is that case.
Okay, I see it in here. State agrees that upon return to Bexar County on January 2023, the no contact order is to be restored, with the exception that the defendant may contact the complainant by phone, in video, and may only have in-person contact for the sole limited purpose of child exchange.
And that's what if we could have another setting, he would come in. That won't be an issue, Your Honor.
All right, well, I'm going to make my ruling now, and then if you all want to bring him in later, you can.
Good. May we get that date today then with the court? Just get a setting.
Oh, no, I'm going to do my sentencing now, and then you all can come back on a whatever date you want to come in, and I'll hear that issue with regards to that.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
That's perfect.
All right, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I do outside sales for an oil and gas company.
Okay. All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication and states you're not asking for an affirmative finding of family violence.
No, Your Honor, no affirmative finding is being.
All right, there's a $500 fine to be probated. There's to be restitution, if any, to Brandy Zamora and Brett Aguilar. There's to be no contact with Brandy Zamora. There's to be no contact with Brett Aguilar, with the exception of child custody exchange. proof of employment within 15 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is to be regular UAs. And is there going to be any alcohol problem or any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Abrams, I'm going to want a UA today. 50 hours of community service restitution.